All right, guys, so this is day 2 of quadratic formula. Continue where you left off yesterday. Go ahead and try out the warm-up. Okay, so from yesterday we learned we need to be equal to 0, which we are. Identify our A, B, and C, and then go ahead and put this all into our quadratic formula. Find out what our x values are. So -6 plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So put my numbers under the square root in the calculator first. 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 5 times 1, which is 16. So I get x equals -6 plus minus the square root of 16 over 2 times 5, which is 10. Well, the square root of 16 is positive and -4. That positive and negative we already have in the formula takes care of the positive and negative we get from square root of 16. So my two answers are going to be x equals -6 plus 4 over 10 and x equals -6 plus minus 4 over 10. And yes, we do need to simplify this. -6 plus 4 is -2 over 10, which is -1/5. And then -6 minus 4 is -10 over 10, which gives us -1. And those are our final answers. Only if the square root stays like the square root of 16 wasn't a perfect square, would we not continue to simplify. But since you got whole numbers, that's why you continue to simplify it. All right, let's try just a couple more examples just to make sure we got all this down pat. And then I'll let you guys go ahead and take work on whatever on the assignment for today. So pause the video, try number 1. So I get 1 plus or minus square root of 81 plus 10. I'm going to end up with two answers. X equals 1 plus 9 over 10. X equals 1 minus 9 over 10. I'm going to get 10 over 10, which is 1 for one answer, and -8 over 10, which is -4/5 for the second answer. All right, pause the video and try the second one there. Okay, so here's what you should have gotten. X equals 2 plus the square root of 20 over 2. X equals 2 minus square root of 20 over 2.